Good morning to each and every one of you. Today is the 21st of May. It is Thursday, or as I like to say, it is Friday Eve. So welcome to it. My good things for today are the end of the school year. We are just a few days away, and my family and my children and delicious food. I have several good things to share from you guys from yesterday. To-do lists, Netflix, dance, a good night's sleep, Star Wars, new room decor. I love the use of the word decor. Well done. Amazon, bike rides, Riverdale, strawberries, Chick-fil-A, Bright by Kaylani, Carol and Tuesday, yellow shoes, knee bruises, and pigs. All right. So here is our assignment guide. On Tuesday, I asked you guys to complete that virtual career day and the accompanying assignment. That is due today. I was just looking at Google Classroom, and it looks like about a third of you have turned that in thus far. So if you have not completed that, get that done by today. And in addition today, I am shooting you out this presentation on online meeting etiquette, which is very prescient at this time, right? I am not going to give you an assignment on this. Please just read it through, and that's it, right? Incorporate it into your meetings and how you behave in those meetings, and that'll be it for today. So you are completing Tuesday's assignment, the virtual career fair, and just looking through this presentation on online meeting etiquette and incorporating it into your life. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye-bye.